content of a file whose name is abc.txt. Who am I is a command which is used to show the username of the current user. Here, directory is denoted by a slash character. Executable program are denoted by asterisk symbol. Hidden file preceded by a dot symbol. The concept of simple file and directory is similar to DOS. Here you can see the name in blue are the directories indicated by a letter D at the beginning of the line. Every command having D indicator at the beginning of line shows the name in blue are the directories. Text editors which are supported by Linux are Emacs and VI editor. VI editor, this is the simple window which is showing the VI editor using some commands to get your work done. Linux is not equal to window. Problem which arises is Linux is not exactly same as that of window. Linux is too different from window, and culture shock and the myth of user friendly. What is SSH and Telnet? SSH is the secure shell, which is a terminal emulation protocol that allows a user to connect to a remote host via an encrypted and secure link. You can download SSH secure shell from NJIT's public download section. It is also containing some FTP clients. Telnet is a terminal emulation protocol that lets a user log on to remote area to other computers on the internet. It has a command line interface. You can download Terra Term Pro from the public download sections. SSH secure shell includes license key must be imported and start SSH client, click help, select import license file, browse to the location of the license.dat included in the zip file. This is how you connect to the remote host using secure shell. You have to enter the password to log in to the remote computer. This is all the list of commands which are used to log in to the computer situated remotely using secure shell. X Window 32, you can log into the Linux computers by using X Window. Install X Window on your computer from http:/ist.edu software. You can connect, start all programs X Window 32 8.2 and X Window 32. Who are the different users of the Linux? Linux today is used under various areas. What is private sector, Raymond, ICICI, IDBI, Bharat Petroleum, Reliance, Asian Paints, government sector, Air India, Central Excise, Government of MP and Government of Goa, Government of Kerala, Government of Andhra Pradesh, and in railway sector Linux is being used. Let's go through about some commands once again. Home directory, you can see what your home directory is. It is called by entering pwd. Home directory can be seen by entering pwd, which is print current working directory. Some of the commands which are supported by Linux are used to navigate the file system in Linux. First command is slash, which is used to indicate root directory. Slash root, which is a home directory of the user's root. Pwd, you can see your home directory by using pwd. df is a command which is used to see disk space available. cd is a command which is used to change the different directory or go back to your home directory. cd means to change the directory or to go back to your home directory. Dot command in Linux is used to move to the parent directory. ls is a command in Linux used to list all the contents of a directory. If you want to see what are the different files, list of the files in a directory, you can use ls command, means to list the contents of the directory. Its option, four options can be used with ls command. First one is -l, which is used for listing more information, means the more detail of the files. If you want to get all the details in detail the files, you can list ls -l. If you want to get all the hidden files displayed, you can use the option -a with ls command, means ls-a will list the contents of the directory and also those directories which are hidden. ls-t means you are opening the list of the files which are sorted by time. ls-r means the oldest file, which is oldest file will be displayed first using list command. So with list command you can use four options, that is ls -l -a -t and -r. -l means for more information of the files you can use -l. For displaying the hidden files you can use -a. For displaying the time by time, if you want to sort your files on the basis of time, you can use -t. And on the basis of oldest file, if you want to see oldest file first, you can use list -r. Simple example here is ls -ltr, which is used to display a long list of files which are sorted by time and displaying the contents of oldest file first. cp is a command in Linux which is used to copy one file to another. To copy a file to another file, you use cp command. rm command is a command used to remove a file from the directory. If you want to remove a file from current directory, you can use the command rm, means remove. man, it is a file, it is asking for the manual or help of a command. Example, man cd means you are asking for the manual of the command. cd means man is a command which is providing a kind of help. If you write man cd means you want to get manual regarding the command cd. When you don't have any idea about any command, you can get an idea about that command using manual help having a command man. cat, it is a command which is used to show the contents of a text file. If you are having a text file in some directories, you can see the every content of that text file. Example, cat abc.txt means abc is a name of the file and it is a text file, and if you write cat command before the name of the file, you are willing to show the contents of the file, which is a text file and its name is abc. Who am I? It is another command supported by Linux which is used to show the username of the current user. If you are logged on to the current user, you can find the name of the current user, that is username, by using this command. Who am I means who is the current user, you have to find the user name. In Linux, you can denote a directory by a symbol which is a slash symbol, slash character. You can represent an executable program in Linux by symbol star, which is asterisk symbol. And if you want to see the hidden files, you can use a character dot. There are some commands having preceded by the letter D means some directories. The concept of simple file and directory is similar to DOS. Here you can see this is the name of the directory which is written in blue color. Auto start is a directory, its name is written in blue. Templates, this is another directory which is having its name templates, it is another directory. Trash is also another directory. These are indicated by letter D at the beginning of the line. Every directory is indicated by a letter D at the starting line. You can write D. So text editors which are supported by Linux are Emac and VI editor. This is the common diagram representing the VI editor, in which you can write any text and you can use same commands as supported by Linux into the VI editor also. Like you can write cd command, you can use list command, you can use VI command. VI command is used to write some contents in some files. Some myth that Linux is not window is that Linux is exactly not same as that of window. It is too different from window, having some culture shock, and the myth is that it is user friendly. Secure shell, it is a terminal emulation protocol that allows a user to connect to a remote host via some encrypted and secure link. Telnet is a terminal emulation protocol that lets a user log into the remotely areas to other computers on the internet, and it has a command line interface. The secure shell, that is SSH, include some license key which must be imported by using start SSH client, click help, select import license file and browse to the location of the license.dat included in some zip file. Thank you.